Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. Today, we'll walk you through the comprehensive, step-by-step process of setting up your Netgear Ex5000 Wi-Fi range extender. Whether you're aiming to eliminate Wi-Fi dead zones in your home or extend your network to reach every corner of your space, this guide will provide all the necessary instructions to help you achieve optimal coverage. Let's get started on boosting your Wi-Fi signal and ensuring a seamless internet experience throughout your home. Inside the box, you'll discover the Wi-Fi range extender essential for expanding your network coverage, a quick start guide offering straightforward setup instructions, and the power adapter required to supply electricity to the device. Before we start, make sure you have the SSID and password for your main router on hand. You'll need these to complete the setup smoothly. Next, connect your extender to a power source and wait until the power LED lights up green, indicating it's ready for setup. The easiest way to set up your Netgear Ex5000 is using the WPS method. Firstly, pressing the WPS button on the extender. This method streamlines the setup process significantly. Within the next 2 minutes, press the WPS button on your router as well. Watch for the WPS LED on the extender to turn a solid green, indicating successful connection establishment. After connecting your extender to your router, your next step is to connect your devices to the extended network. This extended network will have the same name as your original network, with _ext added to the end. If your router does not support WPS, you can set up the extender using a web browser instead. Begin by connecting a device such as a laptop or smartphone to the extender's default SSID, which is Netgear_ext. Once connected, open a web browser and follow the setup instructions provided to complete the configuration process. To initiate the Netgear installation assistant, type the default IP address 192.168.1.250 into your web browser's address bar. This action will launch the installation assistant interface, guiding you through the setup process step by step for your convenience and ease of use. To proceed, choose your current Wi-Fi network, input the password, and configure the extended network name. This process ensures seamless integration and extends your network coverage effectively, providing enhanced connectivity across your home or workplace. After finishing the setup process, reconnect your devices to the newly extended network. This step ensures that all your devices benefit from the expanded coverage and improved connectivity provided by the extender throughout your home or office environment. If you encounter any difficulties, attempt to restart both your extender and router. Double-check that you have correctly entered the network password. This troubleshooting step helps resolve connectivity issues and ensures smooth operation of your extended network.